So the college football playoff rankings dropped last night. Y'all know what this is. I like to bring this to y'all, kind of see where your minds are at, see where your heads are at. As it is every single week, some people are going to be upset, some people are going to be happy, some people are going to be understandable. We'll see. Let's dive in. So Alabama's still the only undefeated Power 5 team. Ohio State chilling at number 2 after their win over Michigan. Clemson at 3, been battling all year. And then Washington slides back up into the number 4 spot, pushing Michigan out into the cold to the number 5. Now I know we got some diehard Michigan fans on the channel. I'm curious if you think it's reasonable. I don't know, I don't really have a team, so I'm just curious as to how y'all feel. To me, I'm thinking about the committee, and it's gotta be tough. Like, it's gotta be tough to put a team in the top 4 after they lose 2 of their last 3. Like, I know technically it shouldn't matter when you lose, but man, when you lose 2 of the last 3 and you got teams that's still winning, it's hard to put them in top 4. But whatever, with that being said, they can still get back up there. I mean, Alabama, Clemson, and Washington all have conference championship games, and depending on how that shakes out, Michigan can definitely still get back up in there. Then you got the 2 teams who are actually playing in the Big Ten Conference Championship game. Wisconsin, Penn State, got Colorado, Oklahoma State's gonna be a good game. We'll be covered, don't worry. So will Penn State, Wisconsin, don't worry. And that rounds out the top 10. Still got USC, who a lot of people believe is the best team in the country at this point. Still got them hanging at number 11. Anyway, I'm curious, how do you guys feel about the rankings? And I want to know, like, are you a fan of the eye test and trying to get the best teams? Or should there be a concrete criteria as far as wins, losses, and, you know, like a concrete formula to get you in the top 4? I personally believe there should be a concrete formula. I don't think that just because I might look at a team and say, man, they have the most talent, that they should automatically be in the playoffs if they got 3 losses. None of the teams up in here even have 3 losses, but you feel what I'm saying. I'm just saying in general. But anyways, just wanted to make this video real quick, kind of see where y'all heads were at. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, click the like button. Also subscribe if you're new. Hit me up in the comments section. My name is FlemLo Raps. I'm out. 1.